So from today's session, we are going to learn what is the differences between JDK, JRE, JVM. So yesterday's session we installed JDK on our machine. So when you install on JDK in your machine, you see in two kind of things is there in our specific install location. One is JDK, another one is JRE. So what is the JDK will have and what content it will be having JRE. So before going to the details, first have a look on the folder structure. See here, this is the JDK related and this is JRE. So internally, if you get into that JDK, it has a bin folder. So it have a lot of tools here. So JDK will have, JDK is nothing but Java development kit. So JDK will have a set of tools. So these tools will help us to make it application is one way is the compilation way. Another thing is you can use it for running. Along with that, few more tools is available. These tools will helpful when you are going to make different kind of operations with the Java. So ultimately what I'm going to say here, whatever JDK is having, it has a bunch of tools. Okay, so these tools will help you to utilize or to use your day to day whatever the particular requirement, you can use this tool to complete that activity. So that is the related for JDK. So if you hear, JDK is nothing but Java development kit, is a software contains tools. Just we seen that set of tools to write Java program. And one more thing here, JDK is the platform dependent. So whatever you are going to run it is a platform dependent. As you know that dependent is nothing but it's sticking to the particular operating system. But we are saying that Java is the platform independent. You might contradict. So that is the reason here when you are going to install in your machine, we are downloading a specific version for Windows or Linux. Okay, so those information we are specifying while installation time. That is one of the reason it is the platform dependent. That's what we are downloading. What operating system you are using, based on that operating system you are downloading JDK into your machine. So those tools, whatever tools we see now, so these tools is supporting for Windows because I was downloaded and installed Windows version. Similarly, if you're using Unix, you should download Unix compatible related version, then these tools will be compatible to your operating system. So that is the dependent related. So we see so many tools which, what are the tools it's available, like compiler, launcher, JVM visualizer, Java, Java C. Okay, so likewise so many tools are available. So that is nothing but JDK. Moving on to the JRE. So this JRE is nothing but Java runtime environment. So it has a set of libraries. Libraries is nothing but, as I told earlier, so it will be having, if you see here, whatever the program you have written by using IntelliJ, it has a set of libraries. These libraries is supporting to your program. So here JRE is nothing but runtime environment, whatever it required to your program to execute, so that will be serving by JRE. That might be libraries or debugger related, all of them will coming from JRE. The next thing is it is a platform dependent, so that is JRE related. The next thing is JVM. So this JVM, so far we seen just few things about the JVM. If you remember this diagram, whatever the diagram I was shown you earlier, this one, source code is compiled and bytecode generated. It's giving to the JVM. JVM is given to the operating system, and then output is displaying. So if you see the JVM, JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine. It's a platform independent. So because of this reason, JVM, Java is the platform independent. The remaining scenarios, JDK, JRE, all are platform dependent related. But whenever the program is giving to the JVM is the platform independent. So by using that JVM only, it's executing your Java program.